Welcome to our comprehensive guide on index funds in Sri Lanka. Are you looking for smart, low-cost ways to invest in the Sri Lankan market? You've come to the right place. In this video, we'll dive deep into what index funds are, explore the investment landscape in Sri Lanka, and identify the best low-cost options available for you. So, what exactly is an index fund? Simply put, it's a type of mutual fund or ETF that aims to track the performance of a specific market index like the S&P 500 internationally, or in Sri Lanka's case, indices like the Colombo Top 10. They offer diversification and typically lower costs compared to actively managed funds. The Sri Lankan investment landscape primarily features unit trusts, which are similar to mutual funds, alongside government securities and direct stock investments. These unit trusts come in various types, including income, balanced, and growth funds. The market is regulated by the Securities and Exchange Commission of Sri Lanka, ensuring investor protection and market integrity. When it comes to dedicated index funds in Sri Lanka, the Ceylon Index Fund, managed by Ceylon Asset Management, is the most prominent player. This fund specifically tracks the Colombo Top 10 index, giving you exposure to the 10 largest and most liquid companies on the Colombo Stock Exchange. It's designed to mirror the index's performance, offering a transparent and passive investment approach. Now let's talk about cost. The Ceylon Index Fund has a front-end fee of 2%, a management fee of 1% per annum, and trustee and custodian fees of 0.3%. This brings its total expense ratio to 1.61%. While these fees might seem higher than global benchmarks, it's crucial to understand the local context. Sri Lanka's market size and operational costs contribute to these figures. Compared to many actively managed funds here, the Ceylon Index Fund still offers a relatively cost-efficient way to diversify. Looking at performance, the Ceylon Index Fund has shown strong returns, with a YTD performance of over 19% and a one-year return exceeding 52% as of July 2025. Remember, past performance doesn't guarantee future results, but it highlights the fund's ability to track the market. So, what's the verdict on the best low-cost index fund in Sri Lanka? Given the limited alternatives, the Ceylon Index Fund stands out as the most viable option for passive index investing. It provides a simple, diversified entry point into the Sri Lankan stock market, making it an excellent choice for those looking to invest without the complexities of active management. While not as low cost as global counterparts, it's the most cost-efficient way to gain broad market exposure locally. We hope this deep dive into index funds in Sri Lanka has been insightful. If you are ready to start your investment journey, consider exploring the Ceylon Index Fund. Remember to do your own due diligence and consult with a financial advisor. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more investment insights, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next upload. Happy investing!